Sweet chilli sauce is my secret ingredient to quite a few of my recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own version at home. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Our daughter Gracie absolutely loves sweet chilli sauce. I literally have to stop her from putting it on everything. It's so satisfying to make your own sweet chilli sauce at home with no additives, only lovely fresh ingredients and admittedly quite a lot of sugar. We're going to start by chopping up 8 red bell peppers. Add the chopped peppers to a food processor along with 8 red chillies, 8 cloves of peeled garlic and a large piece of fresh ginger that's also been peeled. Blitz until they're finely chopped but not a paste. You want to get to about this consistency. It smells really fresh and spicy. We're going to transfer all of this into a large saucepan. Now add in 400 grams or a 14-ounce tin of cherry tomatoes. Then next in goes 760 grams or 4 cups of golden caster sugar and 210 ml or 7/8 of a cup of red wine vinegar. Stir it all together and then bring to the boil and skim off any of the foam that comes to the surface. Turn the heat down and let it bubble away gently for about 1.5 hours to 1 hour and 45 minutes, giving it a stir every so often. For the last 20 minutes, give it a stir a little bit more frequently, just to ensure it doesn't catch and burn. You want to get to about this consistency. If there are any whole tomatoes left, just give them a squish with a potato masher. Then turn off the heat and leave to cool for about 20 minutes or so. After about 20 minutes, carefully pour into 2 large clean jars. Place the lids on and leave to cool completely before storing in the refrigerator. And that's how you make homemade sweet chilli sauce. Perfect for dipping, drizzling and cooking with. You should be able to keep that sealed in a dark cupboard for up to 3 months, although I don't think it'll last that long in our house. See you next time.